Welcome back to Color Vistas. Sublimation printing is an incredible way to create vibrant, long-lasting designs, but like any craft, it comes with its own set of challenges. The good news? With the right tips and tricks, you can avoid common pitfalls and take your projects to the next level. In today's video, I'll share some of the best sublimation tips and tricks to help you achieve results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, these insights can help make your sublimation journey smoother and more successful. Let's get started. Sublimation printing requires a combination of the right tools, techniques, and attention to detail. To start, let's talk about choosing the right materials. Sublimation works best on polyester-based fabrics and polymer-coated items. For fabric projects, ensure your material is at least 65% polyester, with 100% polyester being ideal for the most vibrant results. For hard surfaces like mugs or coasters, always check that they're specifically coated for sublimation. Using incompatible materials is one of the most common mistakes and can lead to faded or incomplete designs. Now, let's move on to designing your prints. One of the most useful tips is to always mirror your designs before printing. This is especially important for text or directional elements, as the design will appear reversed when transferred if you skip this step. Use graphic design software like Canva, Photoshop, or Illustrator to create high-resolution artwork, and always test your colors with a sublimation color chart to ensure accuracy. When printing your design, use high-quality sublimation ink and paper. These are critical for achieving sharp details and vibrant colors. Set your printer to high resolution. Select the correct paper type, and double-check your print settings. Allow the ink to dry completely on the sublimation paper before handling it to avoid smudging. Next, let's talk about preparing your substrate. Whether you're working with fabric, mugs, or other surfaces, cleanliness is key. Use a lint roller on fabrics to remove fibers that could interfere with the transfer process. For hard surfaces, wipe them down with rubbing alcohol to eliminate dust, oils, or debris. These simple steps can make a big difference in the quality of your final product. When it's time to transfer your design, heat and pressure are crucial. Use a heat press or convection oven for consistent results, and always follow the recommended temperature and time settings for your substrate. Typically, sublimation requires a temperature of 375 degrees to 400 degrees and 45 to 60 seconds of medium pressure. Using incorrect settings can lead to faded colors, uneven transfers, or even damage to your substrate. One common issue during the transfer process is ghosting, which occurs when the sublimation paper shifts slightly, creating a blurry or duplicated design. To prevent this, secure the paper tightly with heat-resistant tape, and ensure your heat press or oven provides even pressure. For items with curved surfaces like tumblers, shrink wrap can be a game changer. It holds the sublimation paper firmly in place, reducing the risk of shifting. If you're working with fabric, pre-pressing your material for a few seconds before transferring the design can remove any moisture or wrinkles, ensuring a smooth and even transfer. For hard surfaces, warming them slightly before applying the design can help the sublimation ink bond more effectively. Let's move on to troubleshooting common problems. If your colors appear dull or washed out, check your ink and paper quality. Ensure you're using sublimation-specific products and that your printer settings match the requirements for sublimation printing. Updating your ICC profile can also help improve color accuracy. If you notice streaks or lines in your prints, run a nozzle check and clean your printer's printhead to resolve any clogs or misfires. For those running a sublimation business, efficiency and quality control are essential. One helpful trick is to batch similar items together during production to streamline your workflow. Keep detailed notes of your heat press settings and results for different substrates, so you can replicate successful projects with ease. Investing in high-quality equipment and materials up front will save you time and money in the long run by reducing errors and rework. Another tip for business owners is to add a protective coating or laminate to items that may be exposed to moisture or wear, such as coasters or outdoor signs. This not only enhances durability, but also gives your products a professional finish that customers will love. For hobbyists and beginners, practice is the key to mastering sublimation. Start with smaller projects like coasters or keychains to build your confidence before tackling larger items like t-shirts or tumblers. Experiment with different designs, substrates, and techniques to discover what works best for you. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're all part of the learning process. When caring for sublimated items, proper maintenance can extend their lifespan. For fabrics, wash them inside out on a gentle cycle with cold water. Avoid using bleach or harsh detergents, and air dry whenever possible to preserve the vibrancy of the design. For hard surfaces, clean with a soft cloth and mild soap, and avoid abrasive scrubbers that could damage the print. Lastly, stay organized. Keep your workspace tidy and your supplies well stocked. Having everything you need within reach will make the sublimation process smoother and more enjoyable. Label your supplies, maintain a checklist for each project, and store your sublimation paper in a cool, dry place to prevent curling or moisture damage. And there you have it. Tips and tricks for sublimation printing. By following these best practices, you'll avoid common mistakes, improve your results, and take your projects to the next level. Whether you're creating for fun, gifting, or running a business, these insights will help you achieve vibrant, professional quality designs every time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation tools and supplies where applicable. Visit my website for more tips, guides, and creative inspiration. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite sublimation tips in the comments. See you in the next video.